So hey guys, Samsung Galaxy Fold 2 is widely reported to launch alongside the Galaxy Note 20 series in the second half of 2020. This new foldable phone is expected to see a larger exterior display, a more durable foldable screen and a shift in camera placements, among other things. A new leak suggests that Samsung is working on another foldable device, the Galaxy Fold Lite, and this one will be a more affordable foldable phone with a price tag somewhere around $1,099. The specification and design details of the new model have surfaced online alongside the possible color option for the Galaxy Fold 2. Starting with the Galaxy Fold Lite, tipster Max Winbatch has leaked that the company is working on the new foldable phone that may be powered by the Snapdragon 865 SoC but lacks support for 5G. Codenamed Winner 2, the Samsung Galaxy Fold Lite is set to offer 256GB of storage. It should be made available in mirror black and mirror purple color options at launch and will be priced as $1,099 as said above. The foldable device is expected to be built out of aluminum and glass on the outside and is reported to integrate a mixture of 2018, 19 and 20 parts. The main foldable display is said to not come with ultra thin glass, so it may be something similar to what we have already seen on the Galaxy Fold. Also, Winbest notes that the secondary outside display will be smaller in size, similar to that on the Galaxy Z Flip. He cautions that all of the above mentioned information should be taken more as a rumor than a leak, as the information around this phone could change quickly, given this is the first time we are seeing it. The Galaxy Fold 2 on the other hand seems to take a step forward towards the predecessor with better hardware and a more durable display. The foldable device will retain book-like form factor but is rumored to come with a larger external display with an Infinity O panel for housing the selfie camera. A new Sam Mobile report suggests that the phone will arrive in black and brown color options. There may be more options at launch, especially including the ones that the Galaxy Fold was launched in. Past leaks suggest that the phone will support a S Pen and the camera setup in the back is expected to be identical to the Galaxy S20. So make sure to subscribe to our channel if you like our content, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.